Hi class, welcome to another lecture on CS384. This time you will learn how to swap two numbers in Python. Okay, so you will say, "Yo, sir, what's the big deal in it?" Okay. So what is a standard swap program? Let us say A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7. Okay. Let us do one thing. We learned in the last lecture, we can define both on the same line. Okay. So A comma B is equal to 5 comma 9. The spaces between variables and values does not matter. So A will be given a value of 5. Let us be very short. Print the values of A and B before swap are. Let us put both the values and just check the output. Oh, some syntax. I missed a comma here. Right? The values of A and B before swap are 5 and 9. Let us use our standard temp is equal to A. So A, the value of A is in temp, A is equal to B. B overrides the value of A, and B I'm giving to temp, but temp hold the value of A, right? So just let me print the same line, and now I will do after swap. 9.5, yippee! Now you will say, sir, this program I basically did in my semester 1 lecture 2. Why in Python? So my dear friends, how many lines did you require to swap two numbers here? 1, 2, and 3. Can I reduce this in C? No, you cannot. Can I reduce this in Python? Yes, you can. What is the least number of lines? Now let us see. I did not even use a temporary variable. I will say A comma B is equal to B comma A. Right? So what did this happen? A was given 5. Now A will be given the value of B and B will be given the value of A. Let us check the output. Same, voila. So you have a one line code for swapping two numbers in Python and you need not require the use of any temporary variable. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.